My name is Neba. Good evening to everyone. I'm a new Muslim. And my question goes to Nauman. I want to relate coexistence that he talked of to judgment. Because I see that the human race has created a lot of differences and we are living in fraction. So my question is, does Allah has a plan to harmonize his creation, to bring everything, to bring his creation to unity and coexistence?
Yes, Allah does have a plan. The plan is called the Muslim Ummah. That's the plan. The plan's already there, the instruction manual's already there, the people qualified to do this, هُوَ اجْتَبَاكُمْ وَمَا جَعَلَ عَلَيْكُمْ فِي الدِّينِ مِنْ حَرَجٍ. He's the one who chose you. He selected you based on your qualifications, and he didn't put any difficulty on you. We are there, and لِتَكُونُوا شُهَدَاءَ عَلَى النَّاسِ, so you can be witnesses against humanity by the peace that you deliver. All of the ingredients are there. So in other words, Allah will bring peace. Allah already did bring the ambassadors of peace, the givers of peace. That's why we're called Muslims. The word Islam actually is interesting because it has duality in meaning. Islam is, on the one hand, it means submission, but also it means to give or to offer peace also, to put someone in peace. So when we do our job as Muslims, then Allah's plan is fulfilled. And when we don't do our job, we don't get to question Allah. How come you didn't bring peace? He gets to question us. How come you didn't do your job? It's going to be the other way around.
Thank you. I'm convinced.
Inshallah. Jazakallah khair.